The last one, that is chamomile. The chamomile is also one of the herbal therapy, or will use as a herbal medicine. Okay, these chamomile also will use as to calms anxiety, and which may reduces the stress and may have a positive effect on attention deficit disorder. Okay, ADD. Even the chamomile is may helpful in the mostly psychiatric patients. Okay, those who are having a mental disorders, like it may calms the anxiety, means it may reduces the anxiety, and it may reduces the stress, and it may have positive effect on attention deficit disorder. So we mostly use these chamomile as a irritable bowel syndrome. So when the patient is suffering from the irritable bowel syndrome, even the chamomile also may helpful to reduce the irritable bowel syndrome. Okay, even it may act as the anti-inflammatory, and it may act as the antihistamines actions. Okay, even we can prevent the nausea, even we can prevent the morning sickness in the pregnant women when they use this type of chamomile. Okay, then the chamomile side effects. What are the chamomile side effects? In the sense, here the chamomiles also, when they will use excessive amount of chamomile, so chamomile will be useful as a tea, chamomile may useful as a oil. Okay, so when they use these chamomile as a herbal medicines, when they use excess amount of chamomile, it may leads to allergy. So when the people are having sensitivity to the sun sensitivity to the environment or seasonals, okay, when they use these no sensitivity to the skin, okay, when they use these chamomile, it may it may cause the allergies. Then it may avoid chamomile teas when taking blood thinners. Okay, actually, see, I said no, mostly this chamomile use as a tea. Okay, chamomile teas are available in the market. Okay, so when they use these chamomiles, it may these teas, chamomile tea is supposed to be avoid. Okay, excess amount, because it may leads to blood thinness, means some type of blood disorders may cause to the patients when we use excess amount. It may contain natural blood thinner, coumarins. Okay, these are the herbal medicines. Then the next one is drugs from the herbal extract. So as I said, like aspirin, quinidine, these are there are the many type of drugs we can use as a herbal. We can, these are these are the drugs we can use as a plant sources drugs. These all are. So see, if you want, you have a look on this. Okay, these are the herbal drugs. Okay, aspirin, even we can see the aspirin, if you can see the quinidine, glucosamine. Okay, then the tubocurin, there are the many type of drugs we can see, geniosan. Okay, there are the, these all are the herbal sources drugs or herbal extracted drugs. Okay, in our daily basis we may use these type of drugs. Okay, actually these are the drugs which are prepared from the plant sources. Okay, so Gaza market, in this is the famous market. Okay, Gaza, in the state of the Gaza market, in the sense only it is mostly developed plant based medications, plant based what to say, food items. Okay, plant based, all the, when see this market only available with all the plant based medicines. Okay, even food items we can, it may available, nutritious items may available, medicines may available. Okay, tablets forms, teas, so there are the different. So these all are the plant based or plant sources food item, plant based or herbal therapy medicines, herbal medicines, these all are. So this is the famous market in worldwide. You can if you go to Gaza market, you can get anything which is related to the plant based. Okay, this is the Gaza market. Okay, see, these are the herbal garden. So likewise they will harvest it, or they will process everything. See that see, everything they will check out, even environment, soil, bugs, and the quality, and they will check everything. The climate they will check. Okay, whenever, see, there are the lavender we can see, there is the ephedra we can see. Okay, even we can see there are the many plants. Okay, many plants, these are all the plants whichever they planted here. Okay, everything having a herbal effect. Okay, when we'll use these plant type based teas, plant based oils, plant based dry powders, okay, plant based extracts, okay, plant based, so everything there are these, they completely, the herbal garden is only for the herbal medicines. Okay, so this even as food item also we can take these herbs. So this is the herbal garden. So likewise they will planted or they will harvested, the process also will be going on the same like this only. Okay, even sometimes they will keep some distance between one plant to another plant, but here this is the garden, right? So completely they will keep together only. So likewise they will harvest it in a specific area, that climate should be good, soil should be good, quality should be good, process everything should be good. Okay, this is the herbal gardens. So thank you. So so far we have discussed all about like herbal medicines and their history we have seen, and even there are what to say, there are the standardizations we have seen, food supplementations we have seen. Okay, then the next one is we have seen effectiveness, we have seen the medicinal usage and scope, we have seen what are the drugs are coming from the plant as a plant sources, then how can they will sold in the markets, and we have seen how the herbs are helpful in the weight loss, and we have seen what are the side effects with the herbals, and FDA reports, and how this herbal therapy may be useful in the weight loss, means safest, means sometimes when we'll use some herbal medicines to reduce your weight, some sort of side effects we may see, but some of the herbal medicines are there without side effects also. Okay, to reduce the weight, so nettle, kenna, these are the ephedra, senna, these are the, when you are having side effects after usage of these herbal medicines, what are the what you need to do first, you need to consult the doctor, we have seen on the earth. Okay, then what is the use of garlic side effects, ginger side effects, anise side effects, green tea and side effects of green tea, lavender side effects, thyme side effects, black seed side effect, and chamomile side effects, and the drugs which are how they were available as a market when they were extracted from the plants, and Gaza market is only specified famous market in the world. Okay, here you can everything may be available which is related to the plant. Okay, there in India, in overall world, so never nowhere you may get these type of medicines or these type of food items which is completely based on the herbals. Only in Gaza market only it may be available. Okay, what is the herbal? See, you can see you can have a look on herbal garden. Okay, so we have seen these type of, even in psychiatry mental illness patients also we can use these like herbal therapies and all, because when the patient is aggressive patient, when the patient is not at all coping of is from the illness and all, even to reduce the sleep, okay, to induce the sleep, and okay, to prevent anxiety, to prevent attention seeking disorders, there are the many methods of type of psychiatric disorders are there. So to prevent psychiatric disorders also, even we'll use the herbal therapy. Okay, this is the what herbal therapy or herbal medicines. Okay, thank you all.